Hi, and welcome to Petersville Farm. It's now September, and I'm making plans to transition to the fall and winter season. I have been relocating all the potted pineapple plants closer to the greenhouse, and this will allow for an easier transition as the temperature drops. Now, the pineapple plant is one of the few tropical fruits that will grow really well in pots, which means you can grow pineapple plants indoors with adequate light and heat. And so it's for this reason I can grow pineapple in Georgia, because I could bring them in. I usually bring them indoors in the greenhouse during the winter months. Here are just a few things to note about the pineapple. Pineapples do not need much water. They need free draining soil. Pineapples get a lot of their water and nutrients through their leaves. Pineapples, they like slightly acidic soils. They also grow in full sun, even in the hottest climate. That's their preference. And they do not like frost. So here in this video, you'll see I'll be doing my first harvest for this year 2020. I have 2 pineapple plants that are bearing pineapples in their second year. And for the other pineapple plants that are bearing, this is actually their first year of bearing. So here, this is one of the pineapples that's actually bearing in its second year. This one I never moved. It stayed in the greenhouse. But these are some other pineapple plants here that I've already started bringing in the greenhouse. I'll be organizing those later on. So, however, today I'm gonna harvest one of the pineapples showing here. It's nice and yellow. Looks really nice and ripe. This pineapple is also from this one is a second harvest. Each season a new crown gives off a stem that supports the fruit. And so this pineapple plant, of all what I've had, did amazingly well. It also produced other shoots that I transplanted to other pots last season. There will possibly be at least an extra crown available for transplant from this parent plant for this year. And so harvest it. It smells really nice and it's ripe. I've been eyeing it for a few weeks now. So upon further examination of this plant, you will actually see the stems, the old stems from the last season, and hopefully you're able to see it as we pull up. I'm clearing these running spinach from around them, and yes, I do need to add some soil in preparation for next season. So that will help a lot in terms of its reproducing, hopefully for the next season. We'll see what happens then. But already you can see there's a crown that I was referred to, a possible new crown I could remove from this parent plant, in addition to an existing crown, which will produce next year's crop. And okay, so probably I'll be able to show you. Hopefully you'll be able to see that old stem from the last year's harvest. You probably will be able to see that in the next video. So as I mentioned, once I harvest, then I'll make the necessary changes and upgrades to this pot. So here you could see this year's stem from that recent harvest, and throughout you'll be able to see this is the old one shown here. You can actually see the old one. That's it. That's the last year's harvest. And then, so next year we'll actually see those 3 stems, because it was 3 years of harvest. So I will be using this fruit to make some pineapple juice. And so I'll be, in the next video relating to the pineapple, you will actually be seeing a video on making pineapple juice using this nice fresh pineapple. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to Petersville Farm. Thank you.